Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trophy, and today I'm going to be doing my second video featuring this wig right here. This is the All About Mary wig unit from Hergivenhair, and this time I actually did a perm rod set on it. I was a little skeptical because it's so much hair and I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but it turned out pretty good. I do have a little bit of frizz and I'll explain all of that in the video, but overall it's like it's giving me 70s vibe, like dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. right? Am I by myself on that one? But anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hey y'all, so my wig is freshly washed and conditioned, and now I'm going to add my As I Am leave-in conditioner all over the hair. I'm adding a light layer, not too much of it. I don't want to weigh the hair down or anything. I'm just making sure that all the strands get a little bit of the leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to go in with my twist defining cream. I'm going to add a little bit of that to each section, and I'm going to detangle it with my comb, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my perm rods. I'm using the orange perm rods, which I think are a perfect size for this style, and I place the perm rod right at the root of the hair. Then I'm going to slowly spiral the hair around the perm rod. As you can see, I'm using my index finger to help guide it along and keep the hair smooth. And then once all the hair is wrapped around the perm rod, I roll it up a little more so it can be nice and tight, and then I secure it at the bottom. As far as parting the hair, I'm parting the hair in vertical sections, and I'm going in a clockwise motion around the wig. And in each section, I'm starting at the very top, and then I move down. I do about 4 or 5 perm rods in each section. I hope that makes sense to y'all. But you'll see how I'm parting the hair as the video moves along. So again, I added the twist defining cream to the section. I detangled it, and then I held the perm rod right at the roots, and I spiraled it around, and then I twist the perm rod up a little bit so it can be nice and tight, and then I secure it. So this is how the wig looks once all the perm rods are on it. I used 4 bags of the orange perm rods, and it took me about an hour to do. So this is actually 3 days later, y'all. It took 3 days for that wig to dry. Like, it took forever for it to dry. So if you want to speed up the drying process, you can put it under a hooded dryer or blow dried or something. My natural hair is in about 6 braids, and I just rolled it under and tucked it underneath my wig cap. As you can see, one of the perm rods was already falling out, but I was impressed at the curl that it produced, so I just slapped that wig on. I didn't secure it or anything yet because I'm just gonna take them out and see how it turns out. To take out the perm rods, I'm just releasing them and pulling them out nice and easy. Oh, and by the way, you guys, my hair was not all the way dry. It was still a little damp at the roots, but it was okay. First of all, I was tired of waiting, and second of all, it didn't make that much of a difference. Okay, now to the most important part of this style, which is the takedown. I was really nervous about it because I did all that work and I waited all that time, so I wanted it to be fire. So to separate my curls, I just pulled it apart. It was no way that I can pull it apart without having frizz, because at the bottom, like, no matter how I pulled it apart, like, I usually try to pull my hair apart where it naturally separates, but this hair, it wasn't naturally separated anywhere, so I just had to pull it apart and deal with the frizz at the end. And to get rid of the frizz at the end, I just twisted it around my fingertips, as you can see that I'm doing right now. This technique helps the curls live up to their full potential and give a nice defined look. I was getting confused as I was doing this. Some of them I wasn't going in the right direction, so try to make sure that you're going in the same direction that you did whenever you put the perm rod in, and you'll be good. This is how the hair looks when all of the perm rods are out, and I went ahead and twisted them all at the ends, and they have some beautiful spirally bouncy curls. So you see that I'm just working with the hair, just looking at myself to see what style looks good. So first I was just gonna have it hanging in my face, like no part at all, just have like a bang or something, which is how I filmed the intro. But later on I decided that I wanted it to have a side part. If you guys want to get more information about this wig, I'll leave a link down below to the Hergivenhair website. I absolutely love their hair. They have, I think, the best quality natural hair extensions that you can find on the market, so make sure you guys check them out. Alright, you guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I love y'all, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.